Welcome to our channel. In this session, we are going to discuss about span tag. What is a span tag? Simply the tag that is used to apply some inline styles to some specific characters or words, any other HTML elements. And this span is a pair tag. Now, I will explain with an example, then you will get one idea of span tag. First, span. Okay, I will write some message. Welcome to HTML. Welcome to HTML. Suppose span tag. Welcome to Java. Welcome to Python. Okay, now save, copy the path, go to browser, paste. So here I will give some breaks. Refresh. Now observe. So welcome to HTML, welcome to Java, welcome to Python. Just the three messages are displayed. Now this span tag purpose is to give some inline styles. Inline style. So within the span tag, we have one attribute. Style is available. You have one attribute, style is available. This attribute consists of observe all these properties. All these properties are available under span tag. So we will discuss some of the properties. For example, color. Color is equal to, I given red. Color is equal to red. Similarly, span, some style is equal to color colon blue. Here you need to give in the form of colon. Style attribute, color colon, the color name. Here style is equal to color colon some green. Clear? Now save and run. Observe, according to the colors I given, my text is displayed. My text is displayed. Here, this is the color property. Now, whatever the other properties you want, you can give the other properties also. For example, this is semicolon. Each and every property is separated with semicolon. So, everything is inside quotation. Style is equal to color colon red semicolon. Next two different things are available. For example, font size. Whatever it is, font size, you can give 20 pixel. So for the last one, semicolon is not at all required. Even though you are given, not a problem. So font size, some 30 pixel. Semicolon, font size, some 40 pixel. Now save. Observe different sizes, you got it? So color is given, font size is given. Not only font size, you can give different things. For example, you will try one more thing, font size is okay, semicolon. Same, some font size is okay, font family, like this. So these are the different. So in my MS Word, you have Courier new, exactly everything. For example, I want this one. Okay, this is one font family, semicolon. Font family. For example, I am using this one. This is another font family, semicolon. I'm using this one. Save. Observe, according to my given, different fonts are happened. Different fonts are available. So not only this, if you place semicolon, for example, these are the different things related to font. These are the different things. For example, these are the different things related to multiple fields are available. Multiple properties are available. Now you got the meaning. The purpose of span tag is to give some inline styles, not only color. For example, color also observe. If you place the cursor here, not only green, you can change. See, RGB colors automatically that is converted. Observe, this is previously green. Now observe the color changed. Like this, we can change our text to message according to our requirement. This is span tag. Okay. Thank you.